This is the moment you've been waiting for. And here is the Canary Wharf, and it's lift tour time. And first we're at the Canary Wharf, and let's find its secret associated lift services lift that goes down to the car park. Not a store, but let's see in every door. And it might be this way. Ow. It might be this door. Private property! I know right to public. Shit. How am I going? How am I going to find the secret lift to the car park? That's right. I'm not sure where I could find the secret lift to the car park. Let's ask someone. So as the service, the secret car park lift was staff only, and let's do another lift. And now into the car park lift inside of the Cabot Place shopping centre with some really nice associated lift services lifts. But anyways, we are now going to stop at this cafe to look up some stuff. But anyway, again, and now into the car park lift inside of the Cabot Place shopping centre with some really nice associated lift services lifts. Let's ride them. Wait, guys. Want to go down? We must wait for one lift to come here the down direction. And it might be this one. It's this one. It sounds like Enterprise. This indicator looks so cheap. It goes past 2 meters a second. This is car park. I finally got to see where he lives in person. This is so amazing. That's what it says when it's a 0. That's so cheap. And now into a lift in Zara, which might be another associated lift services lift. This lift is on a no lift here in the Cabot Place shopping centre in Canary Wharf. Let's ride it.
Can I have sales assistant to the main seat, please?
Going up.
Yes, achi boys. Some big buttons.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
This is a hydraulic. I'm really excited to go into this shopping centre.
Floor 1.
Here we are at 1.
Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
This lift is made by Adoon's Lifts. Not really by Associated Lift Services Lifts. What the fuck?
Floor 0.
Lower.
Doors opening.
There is some lift in this shopping centre, which just goes down in the basement level 4, and there might what did I believe might be. And there it is, the lift to all floors, which is another associated lift services lift, and it goes down to an unknown spooky service area, the 4th basement. Let's ride it. And where is it? It's lift to all floors, and there it is. It's a really nice associated lift services lift, and minus 2, minus 3 are also private. This is a lift to all floors, but not just only the car park floors. And there it is. It's a really massive, huge associated lift services lift. Let's see if it opens. There it is. As my mum was going, let's now ride the lift to all floors. The lift to all floors associated lift services lift. Up. -2, -3, and -4 private, so only 2 doors closed. This is Jackson, boys. This car was refurbished a long time ago. Wow. What's us open? Rear doors. There's rear doors. No, cannot get out. -1. Let's go down. And here we go. It looks like those ASMR indicators. That's rather strange. You have one. Hey, what just happened? Close. No. It's down to -1. Which floor?
0.
No problem. I rated this rate.
Level 0. Retail lounge. Doors opening.
Vamos.
Okay. Dude, it's just too... It's 3 p.m. in London, but then my area is now 4 p.m. And now let's go to underneath one Canada Square. But let's see if we can get underneath one Canada Square. Let's go. Here is the one Canada Square shopping centre, and here we are, the one Canada Square shopping centre, and where are the lifts to the car parks? Wow. It's so amazing to film all of the lifts at the Canary Wharf shopping centre, but where are the lifts? That's strange. Oh yeah. There's just one floor in the Cabot Place shopping centre. This way takes you to underneath one Canada Square. At the underneath one Canada Square, there's an associated lift services lounge. Lift? Yes.
Then go.
I want to go.
Then go.
No problem. In this building, there's some destination dispatch lifts. They might be looking like Coney Polaris, and here we are underneath one Canada Square. And here's some lifts in here. Let's try riding the associated lift services glass lift and underneath one Canada Square. Let's see if we can get through the associated to underneath one Canada Square lifts. Let's try riding the associated lift services glass lift. In fact, I really wanted to ride it one. Let's try going into the other shopping centre. Let's try going into and here is the other lift for the other side of underneath one Canada Square. Here it is. It is a known random generic lift. Let's ride it. It's unknown generic. This lift used to be an unknown random generic. It's been probably modernized. But anyway, ride it.
Opening. Doors closing. Level 0. Doors opening. Doors closing. Level -1. Doors opening.
It's a very tall building, but I do not know the floors. It's very tall, and you can get a bit confused to count the floors in the building. Anyway. Yeah. Here is the one Canada Square shopping centre. What? Here's the one Canada Square shopping centre, and There might be some lifts with other wine candidates. Wine Canada Square shopping centre. So man told me about the Canada Place car park, and we have to be distributed to get to the Canada Place car park list. So we get to go to JD Sports. I don't remember what to get to the Canada Place car park lifts, and it's shop again today. Yeah. It's next to Top Shop. That's right. Actually correct. Let's go into Canada Place. And now we're gonna stop at JD Sports for a while. As I said, now to the Canada Place car park lifts. And they are some fish and crabs. Let's ride them.
Level 3. Doors open.
These doors are so cheap.
Retail mall level. Doors open.
That's close there. There is a lift in shopping centre. This has a stupid annoying fan. It goes up to the street level. And now we're gonna look at some Roman. We're gonna stop for a while. Let's try to see where that secret lift to car parks and street is. But there's also the Waitrose store. It would be nice after that lift. And here is a plan of a Canary Wharf state. There's also a Vodafone store in here. And now into another car park lift. It might be this way. And this means we should live to the Waitrose. And now let's find the way. There is a secret lift in this abyss way. In this way there might be a lift. In this way there might be a lift. This is a very long way to get through. Oh, find it a lift. Oh, so yeah, very spooky. And here is the lift to all floors. Let's ride it. Currently going down might be crowded of thousands of people. Fine. It's going up and we're also going down. It's going up to 3 level, but click pocket. In Venice, second tour lift tour video, this lift had an annoying fan.